I'm Joban Brown, broker and founder of Fisher & Brown Real Estate. I'm here to present to you my listing at 2065 Park Boulevard, Palo Alto, California. The home is located in Southgate, Palo Alto, and is located within proximity of Stanford, Pierce Park, California Avenue, and Town & Country Village. There's many things to do in this location, and you don't want to miss out. The home features 3,000 square feet and just under an 8,000 square foot lot. The house is a new contemporary modern rebuilt home just finished in 2020. We would like you to look at the rest of the home, and I'd like to invite you in. So let's go take a look and see what we have to offer. The gourmet kitchen features Thermador professional grade appliances with a Grand Quartz waterfall island countertop and premium luxury European kitchen cabinets. The main living area and kitchen feature a lofty 16-foot ceiling with a functional layout to create an open living concept. In the living room, you'll find an electric insert illuminated fireplace covered with floor-to-ceiling tiles. The large dining area features a wet bar with built-in wine cooler for family evening dinners. A functional laundry and mudroom is just off the kitchen next to the formal pantry with media distribution center for home's centralized wiring hub station. Off the main living room, a private deck with a nano-wall fold-back door allows for entertaining to create an extravagant combined indoor-outdoor living concept. The master bathroom is covered in Italian tiles with a double vanity, standalone sunken tub, and walk-in shower. The master suite features a full walk-in closet with custom cabinetry. The house features 2 private junior master suites along with an additional full 1.5 bathrooms and a 5th bedroom that includes double doors designed to service as a potential office space. The outdoor space is set for sitting and enjoying the night roasting marshmallows over your personal outdoor fireplace or entertaining guests while the children play in the backyard. Behind the garage, you'll find a yoga or art studio, which can also be used as an additional office space of your personal choice. The detached garage features an electrical vehicle charging station with a long driveway that can fit up to an additional 4 to 5 vehicles. What more can you ask for? A walk to Cal Ave, go to a Stanford game, Pierce Park, Town & Country Village, it's all in walking distance. The home is wonderful. It's what any Palo Alto home buyer would ever dream of. We hope that you love the video. We would like you to reach out to us if you would like a private showing or contact your agent for a showing at any time. Once again, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you soon.